Hey you guys, what's up? It's Kareem Jackson. You are live on the set. I'm so excited, you guys. My show this week is so fun. Okay, you know I'm from a music family. My name is Kareem Jackson. So I'm from a music family. I love business. I'm the Minimalist CEO. You're live on the set, by the way. If you're here for the first time, thank you. My show is going to be cool. You know I love music. I know a lot of my friends, you guys are also in music. So this episode this week, you guys, is about outsourcing because my new ebook is out, Outsource Everything, you guys. You can get that at KareemAntonio.com. Also on the Google Play or the App Store, you can download my ebook too, Outsource Everything. But usually, you guys, okay, music is my heart. I love music, music family, Black American. You know we love our music, right? So I know a lot of artists, you guys. I know a lot of producers and people that are in the music industry and performers and dancers and things like that. So outsourcing, most people think about it as a big thing for big companies like AT&T and Sprint and Unilever and all of these companies, but people don't really think about the fact that nowadays, you guys, post-COVID, outsourcing is like for everybody. It is for everyone. At the end of the day, outsourcing, you guys, is the new normal. It's the new thing. It's the new thing that you have to learn how to do. At the end of the day, you guys, outsourcing is for everyone. I have got two guys, you guys, one producer and then one actual upcoming rapper, you guys, from Tanzania. The other one's from the United States, talking about how I outsourced my music video to the Philippines, you guys. They're talking about how they did their music video for like a crazy fraction of the cost it would cost you in the United States, of course, and of course had a great time. We're in the tropics while they did it, went to the resorts, lived the Philippines lifestyle while they did it, had a great time while they just shot their dream video, but they shot it, outsourced everything to the Philippines, the location, the videography, the graphics, the editing. I think maybe their beats are not from the Philippines, maybe they imported their beats, but besides their actual music, you guys, or at least some of the music, it's all outsourced. And it shows you how nowadays, you guys, small business guys, marketing, advertising, answering the phones, billing, graphics, videography, editing, you guys, publishing, printing, all of those things can be outsourced now for the small business guy. This week, this show is going to be so cool and fun because these guys, I'm talking to these guys about, okay, the producer's name is Henry Johnson Jr. You guys met him before. He's talking about how he shot the video for his artist in the Philippines. So cool. The other one, the emerging rapper from Tanzania, you guys, is Branco Denaro. He's talking about the same thing. Him and his homies did their entourage video in their crib in the Philippines, you guys, and it is such a kick-ass video, cool-ass beat, but I want you guys to meet these guys to give their own insights, you guys, talking about why outsource, what to outsource, where to outsource, cost savings, the level up, you guys, working with Filipinos, and we're also talking about some advice for newbie outsourcers in the music industry. And of course, I love business, you guys, so I'll talk about how you can, but for the newbie guys, how you guys can do this, because a lot of folks, you may think about a vacation from the States, you may think, oh, the beach, relaxing. Take a vacation and shoot your video. Take a vacation and write your book, do your magazine, you guys, make your painting, whatever. But sometimes it can be a business vacation or outsourcecation because you can fly out, shoot your video, do your photo shoots, do your production, do the things you dream to do, because it's cheaper and it's easier to outsource, you guys, and any small business can do it. So this week, you guys, tune in. The link is below. It's coming in later, you guys. So stay tuned in a few hours here later on. The show this week is going to be so cool. How I outsourced my music video live here, right on the set, you guys, later on. So tune in, you guys, and join me. And I want to welcome you guys, Branco Denaro, Henry Johnson Jr., to the show. And you guys are going to love this. Tune in. If you guys have ever thought about shooting a video, you guys, and don't know how you're going to afford it, don't know how you're going to pay for it, you're going to love this episode. You're going to love it so much. Thanks.